Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Math Ustadh. Today we'll be doing histograms, lesson 1, year 11s. If you haven't done scatter graphs, bar charts, or cumulative frequency graphs, box, I would really suggest you go to those lessons first. This lesson is slightly more advanced. To proceed, in order to draw a histogram, we need the frequency density. And to find the frequency density, we need the frequency of something and we need its class width. Frequency generally means the number of things. So we can number of people, number of animals, number of, wherever it may be, wherever you're counting, dogs, pets, whatever it's called. Class width is example. Now, if we have something in range between 150 centimeters and we're talking about 70 centimeters. So this is just an example. I can say the class width is going to be 20 centimeters because that's the width of those two ranges. Okay. So to move forward, this is the equation we kind of have to memorize. So if you don't know, please copy this down. Moving on to an example. So we have a classical example of data that we're given here. We're given the frequency and we're given the height ranges. So 20 people come between the range of 100 centimeters to 120 centimeters. So 25 people from 120 centimeters to 140 centimeters, so on and so forth. To work out the frequency density, you have to do the frequency, like we said, which is this, divided by the class width, which is 20 centimeters. The difference between these two numbers. So let's do the first one. So 20 divided by 20 gives you 1. We put that in the first box over there. Second one would be 25 divided by 20 gives you 1.25. The third one is 30 divided by 10 gives you 3. And we can just quickly just do the others, 2.5. And the last but not least, 20 divided by 40 gives us 0.5. So what histograms really helps you to do, as we're going to show you, is that it really allows you to make you visualize the range of whatever you have and what the range is in order for you to visualize it. So if we go to our next page over here, we have the same table that we had in the previous page. So this is the same table. If we want to plot the histogram, we're going to have the height on our x-axis, which is the different ranges, and we're going to have the frequency density on our y-axis. So to draw the first one, we're going to draw it between 100 and 120, and this is going to reach up to 1. So our first bar will go up to there. Our second bar will be between 120 and 140, and that will go up to 125, which is approximately there. The next one would be between 140 and 150. So we know it's slightly more thinner, and it'll go all the way up to 3. And so we can draw all of these bars.